Hi, how are you? Okay, let me give you an overview of my today's uh, progress. Also, you were telling me like you will have to give a demo to your friend, so let me give you a complete demo. I give you a demo from the start because you were saying that you want to give a demo to your friend as well. So admin will come on this side and he will put his admin login details. Okay, and right now this is not completely dynamic. We will have to put dynamic details. The block part has been completely done. If I click on this like here. Okay, so submit. Okay, you can check like this functionality is completely working. And if I want to show it, like this is working as well, show by ID. Also, if I want to update it, so this is working as well. And I have shown you this functionality already. Like if I want to delete this, so this will be the block part. Now come on this part. Basically for this, this was already being added from your side. So when I did this when I did this dynamically, so this was coming automatically. Now let's say I'm going to delete this. You can check it's being deleted. And now it's deleted. Okay, let's say we are going here. So this is the property card for rent. You can see how beautiful it is. And for this, three things has been done. Like property cards are coming dynamically. They can be deleted like this. And we can add a new property here. This is functional as well. The thing that has not been done, like when I will click on this, so we can't show a specific property details. We are working on that. It will be done tomorrow, by tomorrow. And also update property is not working. Everything else is working, like this 50 views and everything else is working, but these two things is not working. One more thing, bro, that I want to discuss with you. We are working on this thing. Okay, let's say by end of this week, and this property part, blog part, dashboard part will be done. But you were saying that we will have to add some other filters. So for that, we will be working on the next week, and we will have to adjust a filter card that will be adjusted here. So we need time. It's not like that we are not working on it. We are giving this project our 100%, and you can see like work is being done, and it is being done in a good way. But we need time, and we are giving our 100% as well to give the project to complete the project in a better way, in a 100% way. Last time when we were doing in a project way, so whatever you were saying, I was following it. I'm not giving my own output. Like you were giving me Modena theme and I was following it, but now I am doing my best. Whatever is best for the development, and whatever is best for the market, with respect to market, I am doing that point. So this is the thing that I want to clear you. I'm not a greedy person for money, but you will have to, and this is your project, this is your code, this is everything belongs to you. I am just creating it just to build a good relationship with you, and just to good build a good business with you, nothing else. So but good business and everything takes time, and you can see like we are going towards the success in a good way, and inshallah we will do great job. So admin will be done part by this week, and maybe filter part or some profile part will be done in the coming week. But when we discuss the seller part, sorry, user panel part, so you were saying like we will have to develop it from scratch, and first of all that site was not working. I will have to use VPN for to access that site, and then I will see the design. I will give you okay, if we want that kind of design, so we will have to hire some designer that will give us a Figma design, and we will have to design it from scratch. And the other case, we will have to we will have to uh, uh, search for a good theme that will be liked by you and that will be liked by me, and then we will have to work on them. In that case we can work the way I was saying, we are developing it from scratch, and in that way, so it will take little bit time. I will try to complete it in within the month, so that we can show it to the admin, or sorry, lawyer and investors. But we will have to show him admin panel, and we will live the previous user panel, and you can see okay we are working on design part, but everything else is has been done. And he can give you suggestions, okay we can make it better in that way, and you can convince investors as well. So in this way we can do work.